Yo, what's up boys? In this video, we're going to talk about why you feel that there are some girls who are out of your league, and when you go up and talk to them, why you feel that there's no way she's gonna like you, there's no way she's gonna be into you. तो point ही क्या approach करने का, बात करने का कोई point ही क्या है, इस लड़की को छोड़ ही देते हैं. And if somehow you go up to her, you run out of things to say. You don't know what to say. Although with the other girls who you don't find that attractive, you're completely fine with your boys, with your guys. But when you talk to the girls who you feel are really amazing, alright, who are really hot, who you feel out of your league, you feel like, यार इनके साथ तो ये कभी होने ही नहीं वाला, and you get stuck, you get frozen. Why does that happen? आओ बतियाते हैं. So firstly, for this video, what I want to ask you is, why do you feel that you're not good enough for a girl? What are those things that you feel कि ये मेरे में कमी है, इसलिए this girl is not gonna like me, इसलिए she's out of my league. And anytime I ask this question from people, they say things like, bro, my game isn't that good. I can't talk properly. I don't have the money. I'm not that good looking. I'm not that jacked. मेरे abs नहीं हैं. And this girl, she's a model, she's an influencer. इसको कोई भी लड़का मिल जाएगा. Of course, she's not gonna be talking to me. मैंने वैसी किसी लड़की से बात नहीं करी है, तो ये मेरे को like कर ही नहीं सकती है. So anytime I hear that, my first response is, bro, why are you rejecting yourself? And people don't get it. They're like, what? Bro, I'm not rejecting myself. I'm like, yeah, you are. The thing is, you haven't even spoken to this girl. You don't even know usko kya chahiye. What if she does not want the other kind of guy? She wants a guy exactly like you. Maybe you fit all of those categories. Usko usi ladke se baat karni hai aur ab finally tumne approach kar diya hai. So now it's really great for her. And you're exactly the guy that she was looking for. And suddenly now I see their eyes light up. कभी भी मैं किसी से बात कर रहा था and they're like, oh my god, ये तो मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं. और in a sense makes the person feel कि yeah, like I'm rejecting myself. So if you're the same guy जो पहले ही खुद को reject कर रहा है, जो दूसरे को opportunity भी नहीं दे रहा है reject करने की, that means you're coming from a place of low self-worth, low self-esteem, low self-confidence. And that is in a sense because of something that must have happened in the past that made you believe that you are not good enough because of the way you look, you don't have money, you don't have all those things, and इसीलिए the girl is out of your league. Also, when other people tell you that bro, she's out of your league, उसको रहने दे, तेरी शक्ल अच्छी नहीं है, and you take that thing to heart. The problem there is that you're not even sure कि वो लड़की तुम्हें like करती है नहीं करती है, but तुम पहले ही अपने आप को reject कर देते हो. And then you're led on to believe that मेरे को ना game better करना पड़ेगा, मेरे को चीजें accomplish करनी पड़ेगी, तब मेरा sense of self-worth आएगा, तब ये लड़की मेरे से बात करेगी, तब मैं इसको deserve करूँगा. But even when you get the money and everything, the same hesitation, the same feeling like I don't deserve the girl, the same feeling of running out of things to say, the same feeling of being awkward in front of a girl and her feeling that you're maybe a little bit creepy and you're getting nervous with her, those still exist. तो ये clearly वही नहीं है कि भाई तुम्हारे पास पैसा नहीं है, तुम्हारा game अच्छा नहीं है. It's something which is more internal. And the internal reasons for that are again those same. Because you feel shameful about certain things that you might have done in the past or certain aspects about yourself. Maybe you're shameful about the way you look. Maybe you don't accept certain parts of yourself. Maybe you're shameful of your behavior in the past. Maybe you're shameful of the way you look. Maybe you're shameful because तुमने ऐसी चीजें करी है जो तुम अपने दोस्तों से भी शेयर नहीं कर सकते हो. Or you're shameful because घर में ही इतना shame-based environment था where your parents told you that because you're not getting the marks, you should be shameful. Or at the same time in school, whenever you did something wrong, you were punished and your parents told you that how you're bringing shame to the family. So when all of those things are combined, there's always like a part of ourselves which we don't accept. So हमारे जो traits होते हैं और जो हमारी चीजें होती हैं ना, we put them into two categories. One is, oh, this is good, this is great, I like it. Which is usually the good things, the happy things, ambitiousness, feeling powerful, taking risks, which is, you know, being happy, और हमेशा वही करना होता है. The other parts of ourselves, which might be a little bit aggressive, which might not be as mainstream friendly, which might not be as politically correct. Maybe तुम गाली देते हो मेरे जैसे, या maybe तुमने किसी को मारा था पहले, maybe you were the one who bullied someone. So those parts हम ना एक अलग जगह एक shadow side हम अपना बना लेते हैं. That shadow side is like we want to get rid of that part. This is what I want you to understand. Anytime you try to get rid of anything from your experience, वो नहीं जाएगा because it's a part of you. वो clearly जाएगा नहीं. ऊपर से the more you suppress, the more attention you're giving it, और वो उतना ही फट के volcano की तरह ज्वाला बाहर निकलेगा. Solution इसका क्या है? The solution here is that all those shadow parts of yourself that you don't accept, you don't like, you have to accept them. And you have to accept yourself and love yourself as in how you are. Till the time you cannot accept those shadow parts, till the time you cannot love those parts of yourself जो सब लोग बोलते हैं बेकार है, गंदा है, तब तक how can you even expect for some other girl to like you for who you are. And which is why there's the fear कि यार इसको पता चल जाएगा कि मेरे अंदर ये चीजें हैं और पता चल जाएंगी तो ये clearly मुझे like करेगी नहीं. I have so many issues, मैंने ये चीजें accomplish नहीं करी हैं, and always feeling like I need to do something to really feel like I deserve good things in life, to really feel like I deserve the success, I deserve the girl. And anytime you feel that, you can almost 100% be sure that it's a trauma response or something that happened in the past and it's still running you. So again, the solution for you to overcome that is to accept all parts of yourself and love them as in how they are, and then choose which ones you want to bring to the surface and which ones you don't want to bring to the surface. Only then can you really expect the other person to love you who you are, and only then can you feel like you are in that league and understand that everybody around us, सबके साथ ही ये issues होते हैं, सबके साथ एक उनका shadow part होता है, सबके साथ ये चीजें होती हैं which they don't accept, even the girl. So that's part of your human experience. Only when you do that, you'll be able to get the girl, you'll be able to feel like you are enough for her, you'll be able to feel like she's not out of your league, all of you belong to the same league, and she's just a human being as you are. Hope that cleared things out for you. If it did, guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. If you still haven't subscribed, make sure you spank it, smash it, demolish it. This is Kshitij signing off. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out, boys.